Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel exercise YO19 Excel Chapter 1 Assessment TCO in its project description. Most people own or will at some time own an automobile. Few actually take him time to calculate what owning an automobile actually cost. In the other word, total cost of the ownership. This is an important calculation for both individual for businessmen. In this project, you will complete the development of the automobile total cost of the ownership worksheet of your supervisor, Jane Bessie, CFO, at your place of employment. That's our project description. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you want to deal for your complete course, or if you want to deal for your Cengage course, Pearson course, for your assignments like computers like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or SS, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So we will start our assignment. Our assignment start Excel, download and open file name Excel chapter 1 assessment TCO Excel. I have already opened this file. That's our file. So we will move to our second step. Our second step is rename the sheet 1 documentation. So we will copy this and we will go to the sheet 1. That is our sheet 1. Rename this one as a documentation, and then rename the sheet 2 as a auto TCO. So we will copy this and go to the sheet 2 and rename this one as a auto TCO. That's our first step. We will move to our third step. To ensure that there is no blank worksheet in the workbook, delete the sheet 3 worksheet. So we will go to the sheet 3, that is blank worksheet. So we need to delete this sheet. So we have no blank sheet now in our file. That's our third step. Our fourth step is in the auto TCO worksheet. So we'll go to the auto TCO, that is our auto TCO worksheet. Enter the values as shown in the specific cells, data items. So we will go to the find these cells. So we will paste that one in our sheet. In the auto worksheet, enter the values as shown below in the specified cells. So we will copy this and we will paste this one. He is saying that you will paste this one mile and year into cell E4. We will copy this. Where is cell E4? That is our cell E4. Paste this one as a year, miles plus driven years. So we will put just value here in the E4, which is the value 15,000. We will copy and paste it here as a 15,000. And for the second one, mile driven plus year, fuel cost per gallon in the cell G5. We will paste this one as a here gallon, fuel cost per gallon. We will paste it here, and MPG as a E6 in 29. We will copy this and paste it as a MPG as a 29. So we have pasted our copied material in the desired cells, specified cells. We will move to our fifth step. To create a worksheet title, merge and center the worksheet heading across the range A1 to F1. So we will go merge and center A1 to F1. We will select this A1 to F1 and merge and center this one. We have merge and center this. So that's our fifth step. Our sixth step is to save yourself time, copy and paste the data to the other cell within the worksheet or workbook. Select the range C16 to C22 and then copy the selected range to clipboard and paste the copied range to the cell range D16 to F16. So we will copy first, select C16 to C22. We will select C16 to C22, that is our required cell. What we need to do? We need to copy. We will copy this and paste this one in the range D16 to F16. D16 to F16. We will paste it here as a D16 to F16. Note you are copying and pasting the formulas in the cell C16 to C22. So you see we have copied our formula. So you see here we have different value, here we have different because we have copied the formula here. So we have got our results for this one, for this side. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is select the range B15 to C16 and use the filling handle, copy the range through cell F15. So we will select B16 to C16, B16 to C16. What we need to select? B15 to C15. That is our B15 to D16. We have selected these two and fill the range up to F16. So drag this one up to F16. You see we have year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. We have got our results. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is insert a row above the 15 to allow space to add a descriptive title to the section. So we need to insert a row above row 15. So we will select row 15 and we will insert a row. So we have got row upside the cell row 15. That's our eighth step. Our ninth step is in the cell B15 type 5-year total cost of ownership analysis. So we will go to the B15, that is our B15. We will paste it as 5-year total year cost ownership analysis. Apply center across selection to the cell B15 to F15. So we will select B15 to F15. So we will go to the sort, custom sort. We will select here. You will select center across the selection in the format cells and press OK. So now it's center across the selection. That's our ninth step. Our 10th step is in the cell D6 insert the comment miles per gallon. So we will copy this and we will go to the cell D6. We will go to the cell, that is our cell D6. We will go to the review and here we will select the new comment and in this we will paste as a miles per gallon and remove this one as a laptop. So we have got our comment here miles per gallon. That's our 10th step. We have total 17 steps in this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you want to know about the remaining steps of this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.